Howdy viewers, project for the day is a throttle body cleaning on this 2016 Scion IA, 2017 Toyota Yaris, Mazda 2 sedan. We've got a Wix air filter here. We disconnect the battery to start because we're going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Your air box usually has a mass airflow sensor. As you can see, there's some steel pins on it. That's what we're going to spray down. We're going to use the mass airflow cleaner, and then we're going to use the throttle body cleaning. Right after your air box, there's the air hose, and there's your throttle body. This has a sensor on it. You want to open this throttle body real slow because you don't want to activate that sensor. Then you won't be saving yourself any money by doing it yourself. That does look shiny, but it's deceiving because once you push this in, which they call it a butterfly, you push it in, you spray a little on the rag, you push it in, you clean in there. Try to figure it out. It's a little hard. You're going to have to use two hands, but what you want to do is clean all that grime off that throttle body plate and right around it, because if not, your car will not be performing like it should. So recommendation, every 20 to 30,000 miles, depending on your driving habits. And thank you for your views. Hit the likes, subscribe. Godspeed.